Nice start. We've entered. The colors are the lightest of Mimi's colors and then the dark orange of Mimi's color in the middle there.
Get a shelf that runs around the top.
Oh yeah, it's a neat feature. It's a shelf. It's the entryway. Holy shit, what?
Nothing, I'll wait for you to film.
That's the color. Okay.
Why don't we go walking around and then they can look, because there's one of those that you're doing online now.
It takes too long. I want my own stuff.